What's going on, guys? So really quick, we're going to go ahead and show you how to remove the battery in your Samsung 7040 series PowerBot. So this is the Darth Vader PowerBot. It's just like any of the others, the 7010, the 7040, the 7065, 7080, 7090. It's all the same. So let's get started. Let's go ahead and flip it over, and we need a Phillips head screwdriver. Number 2, I have a Phillips head right here. Apply pressure, make sure it's off. The circle is off, the up position looking one is on. So let's go ahead and take out these 2 Phillips head screws. Now this is a 21.6 volt battery. Slide that out. Grab the battery, which can be a little tricky, and disconnect the power supply. The 4-prong power connector. There's the battery. Honestly, on the inside, it's nowhere near that big. Just a heads up. You can get a replacement on Samsung's website or on Amazon. Make sure it's the correct voltage for the correct model. Drop it back in. Plug it back up. Turn it on. Give it a second to start, and then mine will start making lightsaber noises. So, pretty cool, guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it helped you out. I know it's a simple one, but as always, subscribe for more.